Hi guys, I'm your host for channel 26 Restoration. Today we are going to learn about pouring beans from one jug to another jug.
Through this presentation, a child can learn how to transfer the dry substances. This activity will improve your child calculation and judgment. How to make this illustration? We have made this illustration with the forming sheet and with the help of paper. And we have taken the beans here. You can take pulses, rice, and whatever you want. At what age we should use this presentation? We should use for 2.5 years onwards. First, you take the consent of the child and then take the child to the place of the material and bring the material to the place of the presentation. Now I am inviting the child to do the same presentation. Are you ready, child?
Yeah.
Allow the child to do this presentation again and again until he learns completely.
If you like our video, subscribe us, like us, stay tuned with Monday Restoration. Thank you. Bye bye.